Hi, welcome back to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. Today we're doing a Ganesh Chaturthi special. We're doing mawa Pedha Modaks. I hope you enjoy this recipe. So for our modaks, first what we need to do is get some kesar or saffron strands. So I'm taking about 7-8 saffron strands. I'm just crushing them a little and adding these to warm milk. And I'll leave this aside for some time. Next, what I need to do is turn on my pan. I'm going to cook the mawa or the khoya along with my sugar on a medium heat. This needs to be cooked for a little while till the sugar and mawa starts melting. So my sugar has started melting and my mix has become paste-like. I will add in my saffron milk. My gas is very low. We need to cook this for about 5 more minutes till it starts leaving the sides of my pan and there's some fat that starts oozing out from the sides. Our modak mix is out on a plate. We need to shape our modaks immediately. Don't let this mix cool down too much. Otherwise, shaping your modaks is going to be difficult. So now to shape our modaks, I have these modak molds. You get them in all different sizes. So you could use whatever size you like. I've greased it with a little ghee. So I'm shaping my modaks, pressing it tight into the modak mold so that it gets a proper shape. So that's my modak is ready. To decorate my modaks, I've got some silver leaf or silver varakh. Onto my modak. So these are Kesar Pedha Modaks ready. I hope you enjoy these at this festive season.